Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to just go straight to the point. How to gain 1000 subscribers using just 4 minutes hack. How to gain 1000 subscribers. This is a YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I gained over 1000 subscribers in just 4 minutes hack, this is just 4 minutes hack. You can gain these subscribers in 3 days. You can gain these subscribers in 1 week. You can gain these subscribers in 24 hours. It depends on how fast you are with your workings. So I'm going to be listing all the 4 minutes hack on how I gain this 1000 subscribers using this 4 minutes hack. Stay tuned to this video to see. So let's dive in on how you can achieve this 1000 subscribers using this 4 minutes hack. So you're going to be needing apps that you need. You're going to be needing your Instagram or TikTok or whatever app that you use. But for this purpose of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to gain this 1000 subscribers just using this 4 minutes hack. And you're going to be using the Instagram app, the Instagram repost app, and that's it, and your YouTube app. That's just it. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go over. I'm going to talk about everything, but I'm going to be including it on the screen here so you see what I'm saying. You're just going to go over to your Instagram app. You type on the video you want to post on your YouTube channel. Okay, you click on your repost app. You click on your repost app. That is your Instagram repost app. So when you click on it, you save that video. You copy that video from Instagram. Once you copy that video from Instagram, you take it, you enter your repost app. Is going to be there. You're going to just wait for it to load and download. When it has downloaded, you click on it and you make sure that the watermark from the Instagram is not on that video. I'll be showing you everything using this screen record here. You're seeing everything there. So once you click on the repost, you get that video. You go over to your YouTube channel. Once you go over to your YouTube channel, you click on short. Yes, short is the answer to this video. So if you watch at this point, you know that you're going to be making use of your short. That is your short video. So when you click on your short on YouTube, okay, you go over to once you get your video from Instagram, you go over to your YouTube shorts. That is, you're going to see the option of upload video, upload short, live, and play. That is create post. So you're going to click on short. So once you click on short, you post that video. You remove the sound. Once you get to the option of add sound, you're going to add your own sound. Do not make sure that you do not add the sound that you got from Instagram. It's going to come back as copyright. So you collect your sound from YouTube, then you just add a little write-up on the short so it doesn't come out as reuse content, okay, or it doesn't come out as copyright. So you're just going to include the sound from YouTube. Everything is on the screen, so you're going to just include the sound on the YouTube. Once you include the sound on your YouTube, then you post that video. So you can do this as many times as possible. You can post 2 shots a day, or you can post 3 shots a day, but it should not be more than like 3 or more than. It should not be more than 3, so you don't overload the system with too many content. So you can post 2 shots a day, and you're going to see how you're going to grow your subscribers in just like I said, in 3 days. They are going to grow your channel in just 3 days. That is, you're hoping to get your subscribers. That is how you get your 1000 subscribers using these just 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes hacks. Okay guys, thank you so much if you watch the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. I'm here to give you all the tips, the YouTube growth tips that you need to succeed on this YouTube space. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I'll see you again on another video. Bye.